Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sandwich ham cheese. Start by laying 2 slices of bread on a clean surface and spread butter or mayo evenly on one side of each slice. Layer 2 to 3 slices of ham and 1 or 2 slices of cheese, depending on taste. Add optional veggies, season lightly, and close the sandwich. Press gently and toast, grill, or serve cold for a quick, satisfying meal. When assembling, think about even layers and heat distribution to get consistent texture and flavor throughout the sandwich. Place cheese closest to heat to encourage even melting, and arrange ham in slightly overlapping layers to avoid gaps. Use spread sparingly so the bread does not become soggy, and press the sandwich gently before cooking to hold everything together. Slice on a diagonal for a classic look and easier bites when serving to friends or family. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like to support more recipe videos and kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it effortlessly tidy, so you spend more time making sandwiches and less time sweeping crumbs. It's a neat little helper that pairs well with busy cooking sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Choose your cooking method based on time and tools. A buttered pan gives crisp edges and rich flavor, while a toaster oven is quick and low fuss. A panini press creates even compression and grill marks if you want a cafe-style sandwich. Cook until cheese is gooey and bread is golden, about 2 to 4 minutes per side depending on heat. Let it rest a minute before cutting to keep the filling from spilling out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.